Welcome to this video, which briefly explains where to find the new weekly reporting in Firstbeat Sports and shows you how it works. We'll begin by showing you where to find this new feature in the Sports Cloud and how to select the dates, before moving on to each section of the report in more detail. To access the weekly reporting, log into Firstbeat Sports, click the menu on the left-hand side and select the Reporting tab. See your team by clicking the Team tab on the left-hand side. Open the calendar by clicking the dates next to the team name and choose the dates. Team Training History. Team Training History shows the team's average training load over the previous 12 weeks. This means you can see the team's current status and how you got there to understand more about the context of the current numbers. For example, did we reach the current position with a consistent gradual building of training loads, or was it a very quick increase? Acute load is the 7-day total training load, calculated using TRIMP. The balanced range is calculated using the chronic 28-day training load. Use this as a guide for the acute load that can be tolerated by your team. By staying within the range, your training load is not increasing too quickly. If you wish to maintain current volume, do not drop below the range, but if you are aiming for a deload or recovery week, you can plan to be below the range. Detailed week views. These charts provide a more detailed view of the selected 7-day period, highlighted in blue on the team training history. It allows you to analyse the distribution of training within the group and see whether most individuals were close to the group average or if there was a greater range of individual values. It helps you to quickly see if some athletes responded differently to the training than others. Individual athlete view. In the first column, you'll find the QRT 7-day average, so you can evaluate how each athlete is coping with their current training loads. In the next column, you'll see the current acute load compared to the highest recent value rounded to the next 100. The highest recent value is used for scaling of the bar below. The weekly change in acute load is the difference between the selected report date and the value 7 days ago. The arrow shows the direction and magnitude of the change in acute load from 7 days ago. Next, you'll find the load ratio. This is the acute-chronic workload ratio. It indicates how quickly training load is increasing or decreasing. And finally, you'll see the mini graphs. These provide a more detailed view of what the individual has done over the previous 7 days. Thank you for watching. This feature is available for a 1-month trial period to all Firstbeat Sports customers from early October to November 2023. If you'd like to learn more, you can join our group session. The details to register are in the email you should have received from us.